Ready to melt that stubborn belly fat? Are you tired of that stubborn belly fat clinging on for dear life? Do you dream of a flatter, firmer stomach? You're not alone. Millions struggle with belly fat, but I'm here to tell you there's a solution. Keep reading to discover the secret weapon that can help you unlock the slimmer, sexier you. Introducing the ultimate belly blaster. Forget those expensive supplements and complicated diet plans. This revolutionary drink is made with all natural ingredients you can find at your local grocery store. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly effective at targeting that stubborn belly fat. Get ready to say hello to a flatter stomach and goodbye to those frustrating love handles. How does this miracle drink work? This incredible drink works on multiple levels to blast away belly fat. First, it boosts your metabolism, helping you burn calories faster throughout the day. Second, it detoxifies your body, flushing out harmful toxins that can contribute to weight gain. Finally, it suppresses your appetite, making it easier to resist those unhealthy cravings. Section 4. Nature's fat-fighting ingredients. In this section, we delve into the natural elements that make this drink a powerhouse for weight loss. So, what makes this drink so effective? It's not just one ingredient, but a symphony of nature's best fat-fighting components working together. Well, it's all about the powerful combination of natural ingredients. Each element plays a crucial role in boosting your metabolism and aiding in fat loss. We've got metabolism-boosting green tea, which is rich in antioxidants and helps to increase fat burning. Then there's fat-burning lemon, packed with vitamin C and known for its detoxifying properties. And let's not forget the hydrating and detoxifying cucumber, which helps to flush out toxins and keep you feeling refreshed. Add a touch of ginger for digestion. Ginger not only aids in digestion, but also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce bloating, and a sprinkle of mint for freshness. Mint adds a burst of flavor and helps to soothe the digestive system, making the drink even more enjoyable. And you've got a delicious drink that's working hard to help you achieve your weight loss goals. This refreshing beverage is not only tasty, but also a powerful ally in your journey towards a healthier, slimmer you. Section 5. Real science, real results. In this section, we delve into the scientific evidence behind our product. Don't just take our word for it. The results speak for themselves, and countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations. Scientific studies have shown that the ingredients in this drink can help promote weight loss, reduce belly fat, and improve overall health. These studies are backed by rigorous research and peer-reviewed publications. Green tea, for example, is packed with antioxidants that have been linked to increased metabolism and fat burning. The catechins in green tea are known to enhance the body's ability to burn fat, especially during exercise. Lemon, on the other hand, aids in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. It also helps balance the body's pH levels and provides a good dose of vitamin C, and helps your body flush out toxins. Drinking lemon water regularly can lead to a feeling of overall wellness and rejuvenation. Together, these ingredients create a powerful combination that supports your health and well-being. Section 6. Sip your way to a slimmer you. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, slimmer you? Ready to experience the incredible benefits of this belly fat blasting drink? This isn't just any ordinary beverage. It's packed with nutrients and designed to help you shed those extra pounds. It's so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent, this drink fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. Simply enjoy a glass first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism, giving your body the boost it needs to burn fat more efficiently throughout the day. Or sip on it throughout the day to stay hydrated and fight off those cravings. Imagine having a delicious drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also helps you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to drink this delicious beverage every day, and you'll start to notice the difference in how you feel and look. Your energy levels will soar, and those stubborn pounds will begin to melt away, and you'll be amazed by the results. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a slimmer, healthier version of yourself. The transformation is real and within your reach. Don't wait another minute to start your transformation. Download my free report now. This report is packed with tips, recipes, and everything you need to get started on your journey to a slimmer you. Take the first step today and see the incredible changes for yourself.